So continuing on the matplotlib series, I have created an a variable and lins using the linspace from numpy to create a numpy variable, convert it into a numpy. Then I'm taking a b variable and doing an exponential by 4 on a. So here how a looks like and here how b looks like. Then I'm doing the same thing for x, np.a range 0 comma 10 and doing an exponential by 2 of x and assigning it to y. Here how x looks like and this is how y looks like. Then I'm using plot.figure from matplotlib. Then I'm adding the add axis to that figure. So 0 comma 0 is the initial, which is the origin, and up to 1 comma 1 I guess. So axis dot plot x comma y. Actually I don't remember this one. 1 comma 1 I don't think this is correct. So it is starting from 0 comma 0 and I'm not sure what this one. I think it could be related to width and height. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah, sorry about this. So and the next is I'm doing the same thing, add axis, and then I'm plotting a and b, then plot dot show. Then I'm getting what is the type of fig variable exactly. So it is matplotlib.figure.figure. Then I'm doing the same thing as previously, but you can do a lot of things with it. So we are limiting x to 0.8, y to 0 from not 0.8, sorry, 0 to 8, and same from 0 to 8000. X label we are naming it as a, y label as b, and setting the title of power of 4. Same thing for access to as well. I think this is related to subplots, like you can have multiple plots within the same figure. Then same thing as above, but here DPI is with the help of DPI we can set the resolution of the image. The np.linspace b equal to a for a exponential of a by 4 times. Then same thing as which we have done previously. Then again we are plotting that subplot. Then axis dot plot x comma y. Then plot dot subplot and rows, like for this I want 1 row and 2 columns. I'm printing out type. Then the same thing which I'm doing over here, like I'm for the, so you can see for the 0th index I'm printing out that graph. Here it is 1 comma 2, so for 0 and 1. Here it is 2 comma 2, so it is I think 2-dimensional. So 0 comma 0 plot this, and 1 comma 1 would be this one, so this one, sorry. So plot this, then plt dot subplots and rows, and you can use a for loop as well to plot it. Then if you want to change how the graph looks, you can use something like tight underscore layout. Then you can use subplots underscore edges to, depending on the width space and height space between these multiple graphs. And same thing as above, you can set the figure width, and ultimately we are saving that figure. Yeah, that is for today's video. I know these videos are little boring for and even I am finding it a little boring, because I'm not really sure how these things are going to be useful when we are trying to create a machine learning model. But yeah, I think this learning this data section thing, data science thing might take quite a while. Yeah, maybe a year just to polish my basics, and after that maybe we might look into how to create ML models. So I think it's gonna be a long journey. Yeah, thanks for sticking by. See you in the next one.